The biggest lie in content marketing is that you need a new idea every single day. If you try to wake up and write a new script, a new LinkedIn post, and design a new graphic every morning, you will burn out. That is the content hamster wheel. In my last video, we built a massive 4,000 word pillar page. Stop looking at that as just a blog post. It is a database of idea. Today, I'm showing you my content multiplier system. You are going to take out one asset, feed into AI, and slice it into 30 pieces of text, video, and visual content in under 20 minutes. We're going to use the pillar page we wrote in our last video and generate something like this. Three type of ideas for different platforms and three types of content for different platforms, extracting every important note from the pillar page and rewriting it and recreating it for other platforms. See, this is the final product we are going to create. You click any of these ideas and you see video prompts, newsletter section, infographic, and any other type of content you are going to create from only one pillar. The first thing you are going to use is not only summarizing the article. We are going to extract the most important notes from the article and use them for ideation and creating other types of content. So the first prompt is saying that I'm pasting a long form article below. You're an expert content strategist. You can expand this role as you like. The goal is mine this text for high engagement micro content atoms. For example, 3 constraint truths, for example, hot takes, 5 high utility steps, 3 golden nuggets, and 1 core analogy. And the constraint is do not rewrite or expand it. Only extract the core ideas as standalone, concise bullet points. And you see this, it's the placeholder for pasting the full article. I will copy it and paste it in my Gemini. And this is the article we wrote in the last video using AI as well. It's about 4,000 words. I will select all of it and paste it at the below of my prompt. Here's the result. 3 constraint truths, hot takes. For example, most project managers are just human routers. Traditional tools are broken. Don't forget the title of our pillar is it's about definitive guide to AI project management. And these are the takes it's extracting from our article. 5 high utility steps, for example, automate the stand-up, prompt engineer your backlog, integrate meeting intelligence, enforce human in the loop, audit data privacy, and etc. 3 golden nuggets and 1 core analogy. So we extracted everything we needed. These are the first things we are going to need for ideation, for extracting the ideas and creating other types of content. Next step is our second prompt. It's going to reformat the ideas we had, actionable tips or other things, and reformat them for LinkedIn or X. This one is going to take the actionable tip 1 from the list and rewrite it as a high engagement LinkedIn text post. We can change it later to X or other text-based social medias. And this is the structure. I wrote it here: the hook, the rehook, the body, the takeaway, and the engagement. These are the parts we are going to need in our LinkedIn post. And the constraints is the tone should be professional, authoritative, yet conversational. And formatting, no hashtags. We don't need hashtags from AI. We will put them later ourselves. And length is under 1,500 characters. We will put it here. This step is very important for each of the actionable tips, each of the golden nuggets, or any other things you extracted in the first step. You can write different prompts to convert them to a useful post for a text-based social media. And here is our LinkedIn post. Your daily stand-up is destroying your team's deep work. Don't forget, we took the actionable tip 1. What was the actionable tip 1? It was here. Automate the stand-up. So you see, it has kind of a strong code. Don't forget, after that, you're going to need to refine them and change the robotic tone. I have another video about that. I will put the link up here. And you should read it carefully and fact check it and just change it and edit it. I don't suggest automating all of these things. It's better to extract them, do some of the parts of the tasks manually. And this is the LinkedIn post we received from Gemini. And you see it has a engagement question at the end of the post. Does your team still live meet live every morning, or have you switched to async updates? Let's go to another step and extract something else from our 4,000 word pillar. We are going to create a visual metaphor. We are going to have a social media post, and we are going to first extract an image generation prompt for Nano Banana and then use it to create a visual post. This is a prompt. We have a place order here. Insert a core concept or hook here. We can, for example, copy this part of LinkedIn. Just consider we are going to design an image for our LinkedIn post. And we can just copy the first lines here and paste them here. Done. You see, it's created the image for us. I didn't need the image, but it's not bad. I just have to ask Gemini to only write me the prompt. The prompt here was, I need a prompt from you. Write a detailed image generation prompt. But it created the image. I didn't need the image. Let's refine. You have to sometimes do this, especially in Gemini. It sometimes confuses and creates the image. I say, I don't need the final image. Only write the perfect prompts for creating. And here is the prompt we received. I will check it both in Nano Banana inside Gemini and Nano Banana in Flow. I sometimes like the ones that the Flow creates. Let's just compare them together. This one we paste here, and for Flow we choose create image, and this is the prompt. Let's see which one creates the better. Flow is good at creating images. It creates two, and you can choose between them. And Gemini here is going to create one for us. This is the one Gemini created. It's kind of nice. I kind of like it. And this is the other one. I think this one is more, has more details in it, and I like the one that Flow created. So we created the image for our LinkedIn post as well, or other social media accounts. Let's go to the next step. Here we are going to create an infographic for one of our concepts. And you see it's talking about convert this tip in, we are giving it a tip and convert it to a prompt for an image generator like Nano Banana Pro to create an infographic. Let's copy it. It will extract the steps of the concept and convert them to infographic cards. There's a placeholder here for paste your tip here, actionable tip. Let's go and copy one of the actionable tips. We would just continue with the actionable tip 1. It's to automate the stand up. I will put all of this here. And let's see what's going to be the prompt that it gives us. So it gave us an infographic prompt. Let's check it in both in Gemini and Flow. The one that Gemini creates, it has good details and very, very well written text, AI prompts, async reply, aggregate report, intelligent daily questions sent automatically to team members at scheduled times. You see, there's no problem in the text. And let's see what Flow create. It has more details, I can say. Again, I like the ones that Flow create. So we created an infographic from our tip as well. And the last but not least is a prompt for uh, creating a video prompt to design a video, to create a video, short videos for our pillar content. You copy it here. You see it says the actionable tip 2. It will take it automatically write a 45-second YouTube short script formatted for generative video creation. Well, as you can see, it has created a table for us, and for the timing for the first 5 seconds, this is the video prompt. For each part of it, there are different prompts, and there's audio and voiceovers to what to talk on this video. So we both have the video prompt. We can use it in Gemini or Flow and create our video, and we can voice over the scripts that are written in this part. Well, as you can see, we created different types of content from our 4,000 word article, but we didn't use all of the ideas that were created here. Don't forget that we convert only one of them to different types of content. You can use any of these constraint truths, high utility steps, or actionable tips, or golden nuggets to create different types of content. So if you put time only for 1 or 2 hours, you're going to have 30 content types or more than that from a long pillar page you created. I hope this video helped you create different types of content from a pillar page, and you can distribute them easily and expand your content strategy better using AI. Thank you again for watching the video. See you soon.